I don't bring on a matter all the way from Ghana. This one is a sad one. Anyways, they talk saying a matter for I don't know how many of you don't hear am 14 years old JHS student will commit suicide. Now the matter I bring for Abida. And they talk say the girl named na Letitia. And the name of the school for now we don't they wonder since na Miracle Educational Academy. Bam for Ghana. This girl father now don't come outside because according to the man, he said he's not in support of this story. That the girl committed suicide, this one, that one. He said no. He said there is something, and he don't say they perceive one foul play for inside this whole matter. So I beg, for now we no know the person where they talk about, we no know the father, we no know the girl herself, we no know Ngwanu. They say she even leave note. She write note before she commit the suicide. So I beg, I want make una join me, use una own eyes and ears, listen to the matter.
The house mistress, Giftia Champon, explains she was at the kitchen working on food for the student when her colleagues, who returned from Bible studies to eat at the dining hall, drew her attention to the incident.
I came to the kitchen to come and see how things are moving with the food. About 5-10 minutes, the Bible studies was over. And I saw the kids coming out in their numbers straight to the dining hall. So as I saw them come, I said, okay, then let me get the food ready for them. So on my way of preparation, I heard them shouting, Auntie, Letitia, Auntie, come and see Letitia. So I asked them, what is wrong with Letitia? Them there, all that they can do was screaming and shouting. So I rushed to the dining hall, and as I got there, she has hanged herself.
Where I got there, I saw that my daughter is standing while there's a rope on his neck. That's all. And from there, when they removed the body, we went straight to the hospital, regional hospital. At the regional hospital, we took some pictures and we found out that there is some mark inside his left arm, indicating that something untoward has happened to my daughter. And after the examination of the doctor, we found out that he has not urinated and he has not feces herself rather. Nothing untoward of that sort has happened. And the tongue is intact and the eye is closed. So those saying that he has committed suicide is neither here nor there. I don't believe it. And from there, we did not cited any letter indicating that he herself has wrote any letter indicating that he is on pain. And on the letter, the supposed letter, they are saying that he is on pain and he has some necklace, which they should give that necklace to somebody called Silicon. All these things, my daughter is an Adventist. Even he doesn't wear rings, let alone necklace. So all those things are fabricated. I don't believe whatever they are saying.
Oh, Pari, you don't enter Ghana. Before I've been saying now only Nigeria they experience this kind of tragedy. All of us are inside Africa. Omo, he reached to fear. So this one now, I don't just understand. Waiting cause this girl to commit suicide. They say not suicide. The father say no be suicide. But if you check and wait, if you think deep inside this matter, you go agree with the father because me agree with the man. He said the girl no get any reason. She no lack anything. I don't know. Waiting go come make this girl commit suicide. I been a relationship matter. I know understand because many people now they bring their own. Maybe the boyfriend broke up with her. Maybe this one. The way they see this girl, I'm not sure. Person hand they behind this thing. And the papa make a very clear point. The girl where die na Adventist. For now we no Adventist, those people where they go that church where they know they wear bracelets, earring and all those things. Because they say person even give her chain. How this girl start they wear chain where she they go Adventist? No, make una start they align this matter one by one. Biko, my fellow Ghanaians, I trust una. And I know say una country no be like some countries. I beg, I no call me, I just dey talk. You understand? Biko, make una officials start dey look inside this matter. Baba, fast. Person wey do this thing, e dey around. Somebody do am. See, because I don't understand. First of all, make una even start dey check from the notes. They say she leave notes. Abi, that note, compare the handwriting with her notebooks. Make we start from there. Maybe no be her handwriting. How sure are you that somebody did not kill this girl and hang her by him or herself? Una never think that direction. Something dey behind this thing. Somebody dey behind this thing. Now, why my fellow Ghanaians, because make una start this investigation as soon as possible. This one a pure murder case. Pure one, and it's clean. Because they say they don't even see any, you understand? No sign, no, in fact, everything just, una get mind though. Some people get mind. Some people have mind. Terrible one, heavy one. I just dey pray say her soul go rest in peace. I be waiting even dey pray for safe. Una sure say that girl so okay, she suppose rest in peace, but if na person hand dey behind it thing, my sister, I don't know wherever you are, if you listen to me like this, no rest 100% too. Yes, because some people need to confess. Some people need to confess. Very important. Many evil things happening everywhere. Now only God know wetin happen behind this girl, this thing. I just I beg, if you dey watch me, you be a family member or you the father, I dey feel for that man. I just pray say God go strengthen all of them because this thing no dey easy. My people, no dey easy to lose pikin. Now pikin suppose bury father now, I be mother. Which one be this one? May God help us, so may none of us experience this kind of thing. I beg. My people, now for here, una go still get the update. I know say this one they very, very sad. And trust me, I know they happy concerning this matter. But anyhow, where the thing turn out to be, whether they find the person where they behind her, or be they find the reason for the suicide, that is if she commit suicide. Now for here, una go get the update. Now why una need click on that subscription button so that you no go miss anything when we get here for you. And why not? I still want to know una comment for this comment section. Whether you know the girl, you know wetin happen, you feel gist with us. Why not? I go reply on one by one as usual. And don't forget to subscribe. Very, very important. Stay tuned for our next story.